Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about top 20 verbs in English. Approve, approved, approved. Approve, approved, approved. Announce, announced, announced. Announce, announced, announced. Appreciate, appreciated, appreciated. Appreciate, appreciated, appreciated. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Advise, advised, advised. Advise, advised, advised. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Forecast, forecast, forecast. Forecast, forecast, forecast. Forecast, forecast, forecast. Miscast, miscast, miscast. Miscast, miscast, miscast. Recast, recast, recast. Recast, recast, recast. Typecast, typecast, typecast. Typecast, typecast, typecast. Offset, offset, offset. Offset, offset, offset. Reset, reset, reset. Reset, reset, reset. Typeset, typeset, typeset. Typeset, typeset, typeset. Upset, upset, upset. Upset, upset, upset. Sublet, sublet, sublet. Sublet, sublet, sublet. Undercut, undercut, undercut. Undercut, undercut, undercut. Spread, spread, spread. Spread, spread, spread. Said, said, said. Said, said, said. Speed, speed, speed. Speed, speed, speed. Wid, wid, wid. Wid, wid, wid.